అందరూ బాగుండాలని కోరుకుంటూ ఈరోజు మనం ఈ వీడియోలో 10th క్లాస్ సోషల్ స్టడీస్కి సంబంధించి ఫైనల్ ఎగ్జామ్లో మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ అండ్ ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్ 2 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం. గత 2 వీడియోల్లో 4 మార్క్స్ మరియు 8 మార్క్స్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇవ్వటం జరిగింది. చాలామంది 1 మార్క్ 2 మార్క్స్ కూడా అడిగారు. వారందరి కోరిక మేరకు త్వరలో 1 మార్క్ కూడా అప్లోడ్ చేయబడును. ఇంపార్టెంట్ 2 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్. జియోగ్రఫీ. మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చరింగ్ ఇండస్ట్రీస్ 2 మార్క్స్. వాట్ ఆర్ ద బేసిక్ ఇండస్ట్రీస్? గివ్ an example. What is manufacturing? What are the agro-based industries? Give an example. Define the mineral-based industries. Give an example. Explain the importance of manufacturing industries. Next, lifelines of national economy. What is the significance of border roads? State any 3 merits of roadways. Write the merits of the roadways. What are the means of transportation and communication called the lifeline of national economy? What is the meant by trade? Write one difference between international trade and local trade. Where and why is rail transport the most convenient means of transportation? What is called golden quadrilateral superhighways? Write about Pradhan Mantri Gramina Sadak Yojana. Observe the given map of India. Answer the following questions. The making of a global world. Explain the importance of skill routes. Mention any 2 impact of technology on food availability in present day world. Explain the effects of the Great Depression of 1929 on the Indian economy. What is meant by Bretton Agreement? Bretton Woods Agreement. Next one. Chutney music was popular in which country? Map finding questions. Next, print culture and the modern world. Is it difficult to imagine a world without printed material? Comment. Printing press played a major role in shaping the Indian society of the 19th century. Comment on it. What do you know about the Vernacular Press Act? Write about Gutenberg Press. What was the enormous idea on the printed book? How can you say that Martin Luther was in favor of print? Why did Gandhi say that fight for Swarajya is fight for liberty of speech, liberty of the press and freedom of association? What did the spread of print culture of 19th century in India mean to men? Next, politics. Federalism. What are the key features of the federalism? How is the federal government organized? What is the main difference between a federal form of government and unitary one? Explain. Why do we need local government? Prepare two slogans for the effective practice of federalism. Prepare slogans on strengthening democracy. Make a table that shows central, state, and concurrent lists. Give an example for central list and state list. Next, gender, religion, and caste. Mention any two constitutional provisions that make India a secular state. Mention the problems faced by the women today. State how caste inequalities are still continuing in India. Define unbrainization. What do you know about apartheid? What is meant by communalism? Next, economics, globalization, and the Indian economy. What do you understand by globalization? Explain in your own words. The impact of globalization has not been uniform. Explain this statement. Which places are suitable for establishment of MNCCs? What are the various ways in which countries can be linked? What is the role of MNCs in the globalization process? What are the differences between foreign trade and foreign investment? What is meant by trade barrier? What is liberalization? What do you know understand by liberalization of foreign trade? What is traffic? Why it is imposed on goods? What are the functions of WTO? What is SEDG? Give some examples of Indian MNCs. Give some examples, factors other than income are important aspects of our lives. Next, consumer rights. What are the few factors which caused exploitation of consumers? How the Consumer Protection Council help the consumers? What are the objectives of COPRA? What legal measures were taken by the government to empower the consumers in India? Write two slogans on consumer rights. Prepare any two slogans alert consumers. What are the consumer forums? What precautions should be taken by a consumer before purchasing a product? Mention some of the rights of consumers and write a few sentences on. Next one. Why do people buy ISI and Agmar foods? Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel.